From this video, I am going to describe to you the protocol 802.11. IEEE 802.11 is part of the IEEE 802 set of LAN protocols and specifies the set of media access control and physical layer protocols for implementing wireless local area network Wi-Fi computer communication in various frequencies, including but not limited to 2.4, 5 and 60 GHz frequency bands. The abbreviation Wi-Fi stands for wireless fidelity and resemble the Hi-Fi acronym. It represents a whole collection of protocols within the same family of Ethernet and Token Ring. This is some standards of 802.11. The basic 802.11 standards are 802.11, 802.11b, 802.11a, 802.11g, 802.11n. These are the other additional standards. And this is the association process of 802.11 connection. When we talk about the beacons, the access point periodically sends a beacon frame to announce its presence and relay many information that is required by the stations to connect to the wireless network. And probe request, a station sends a probe request to discover 802.11 networks within its proximity. Probe request advertise the station's supported data rates and 802.11 capabilities such as 802.11n. And probe response, access point receiving the probe request check to see if the station has at least one common supported data rate. If they share a common data rate, probe response is sent advertising the SSID supported data rate, encryption type if required, and other 802.11 capabilities of the access point. And authentication request. The station choose a SSID network from a probe response it receives. It also check a compatibility on encryption type. Once compatible network are discovered, the station will attempt low-level 802.11 authentication with compatible access point. The station sends a low-level 802.11 authentication frame to an AP setting the authentication to open and the sequence. And authentication response. The access point receives the authentication frame and responds to the station within authentication frame set to open, indicating a sequence. If an access point receives any frame other than the authentication or probe request from a station that is not authenticated, it will respond within a deauthentication frame, placing the mobile into an authentication and associated states. And association request. Once the station determines which access point it would like to associate to, it will send an association request to that access point. The association request contains chosen encryption type and other compatible 802.11. Association response. It is the elements of association request match the capabilities of the access point. It will create an association ID for the mobile station and respond within an association response within a success message granting network access to the mobile station. And the last one, data. At this stage, the connection is established and the station is successfully associated to the access point and is ready for data transfer. Then let's go to the Wireshark to analyze the protocol 802.11. Because of my Windows computer, I use James Packet Capture to analyze the protocol behavior. And this is the beacon. This is the frame. Encapsulation type IEEE 802.11 plus radio tap radio header. This is the arrival time and frame number, frame length, and This is radio tab header, header revision, header pad, and flags, data rate, channel frequency, channel flags, antenna signal, antenna noise, signal quality, and 802.11 radio information, physical type, 802.11b, short programmable, pairs, data rate, channel frequency, signal strength, signal and noise level. IEEE 802.11 beacon frame flags. Here receive address and destination address, transmit address, source address, and this is the BSS ID Cisco. And IEEE 802.11 wireless LAN. This is fixed parameters, timestamp, and beacon interval. It is a 0.1024000. Capabilities information and tag parameters. This is the tag parameter. SSID parameter set 30, and tag number SSID parameter set, tag length 12, SSID 30, and tag support rates, and traffic indication map, DS parameter set, country information, tag number, country information, and tag length 6, code US, EDCA parameter set, tag number, EDCA parameter set, tag length, ERP information, number ERP information, and extenders supported rates, and vendor specific, this is prop request, type prop request. This is 802.11 wireless LAN. Track parameters, SSID parameter set. This is SSID parameter set and supported rate. Tag number SSID parameter set 0. The length 5, SSID HFMPC, and tag rates, and tag extended support rate. This is about authentication details, and authentication algorithm, open system, authentication sequence, states code successful. This is association request, 802.11 association request, the type association request, frame control field, duration, SOI address. This is data. This is association response, type association response, and frame. This is the details of the association response. And IEEE 802.11 wireless LAN, fixed parameters and capabilities information, state code, and relay transfer parameter, the length 70. This is the data. In this stage, the connection has established and ready for the data transfer. Here is the data, subtype QoS data, and aggregate MSTU, and this is the protocol 802.11. I think you got an idea about the protocol 802.11, and thanks for watching.